Namaste, everyone. I welcome you all to Yogathon 2.0. My name is Ankita, and thank you for coming to experience the healing power of sound. It truly is a pleasure to have you all here with us. And oh, thank you. I was just reading some messages. Thank you so much. Happy Independence Day to you all. And this Independence Day, we are all looking for that, striving for that one freedom from COVID 19. The pandemic has impacted each one of us, no matter where we are in the world. And in the absence of a vaccine, the only way to fight the pandemic is improving the immunity. And every single session in this festival is a step towards that. So I truly want to congratulate the entire Era Yoga Wellness team. This is a beautiful initiative, and they've worked really hard to put up this one of a kind festival. And this particular session is about the power of sound medicine. You know, each one of us has experienced that medicine in some way or other. It really doesn't take a PhD in physics to feel the effects of sound on that the effect of sound on our well-being. So you know how you feel when your favorite song comes up, it really lifts your spirits high. And you know, the on the other hand, the clamor of a construction site, maybe the high pitch of an alarm, really brings out the emotions of anxiety and anger. So sound does have a profound effect on our overall being. And so today it really gives me immense pleasure to have a very special guest with us. He'll be sharing his decades of wisdom on sound and sound healing with us. It's an honor to welcome Maestro Satya Brat. Maestro Satya is an acclaimed sound healing expert all over the world, and he's the founder and the president of International Academy of Sound Healing. He has been a pioneer of the domain, being a key contributor in taking the sound healing concept global. He's also a clinical hypnotherapist and has been doing extensive work, research in the field of sound healing with singing bowls and gong bells for the last 2 decades. An international educator, a life coach, he has been offering regular seminars and training workshops in USA, Canada, Europe, Asia, and India. Welcome to Yogathon, Maestro Satya. It's such a pleasure to have you.
Thank you so much. And very good morning, everybody. Happy Independence Day and namaste to all of you. I would like to begin this session with the beautiful meaning of the Vedic greeting Namaste. Namaste means I honor the place in you in which entire universe dwells. I honor the place in you which is of love, of light, of truth, and of peace. When you are in that place in you, and I am in that place in me, we are all one. Yes, we are all one, originated and created from one source, and that source is sound. Sound has tremendous healing effects on our physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual being. Sound is being used as a very powerful medicine in modern times with the very pure healing vibrations of singing bowls and gongs. So first I would like you to experience these divine healing vibrations. Singing bowls produces the sacred vibrations of Om. Their rich sonic vibrations alter space, mind, and time. These sound vibrations have relaxing hypnotic effects on our brain. It can effectively dissolve any form of physical, mental, emotional blockages and can take us to a very deep meditative state in an effortless manner. That's what we are going to experience today. We are going to have 30-minute meditation session, guided meditation session for healing with singing bowls and gongs. So now you can experience the vibration of gong. So this gong bell is scientifically created sound healing instrument. It's not just like you have seen something used for rituals or some religious purpose. Both these instruments, singing bowls and gongs, are created to apply in the field of sound medicine. They have therapeutic healing effects. These instruments have very specific frequencies, very rich vibrational quality. And how it works, I'll talk 5 minutes and then we will have a 30-minute meditation session, and after that we have 20 minutes question answer session. If you have any query, you can ask me. So in modern times there is lots of research work on meditation worldwide, and scientists mention now that meditation is the best medication. Why? Because in meditative state our natural healing mechanism becomes super active, and it can heal any form of disorders at cellular, mental, emotional and spiritual levels. Like there are lots of chemical changes happening in the body, and during meditative state what scientists have found that our brain releases one chemical called endorphin. Endorphin is a natural painkiller. Meditative state boosts different kinds of chemicals in the body like melatonin, serotonin. It boosts DHEA levels, and it has different kind of positive effects like different kind of diseases like maybe hypertension, anxiety, stress, sleep apnea. So when meditation boosts these chemicals in the body during meditative state, the level of these chemicals goes up, what scientists have found, and it has different kind of psychological and physiological benefits. Even during meditative state, our inner healing mechanism is highly active, and the sound medicine, like sound vibration, when it's going into our brain, so it entrains the brain waves and very quickly takes us to that deep relaxed state, and from our brain this vibration is reaching to each and every cell in the body, because each and every cell is connected with the nervous system. So now let us experience it, and probably you are going to experience a very deep relaxed meditative state, a healing state. It's not just meditation, it's a very powerful healing process in our body. So sit down in a comfortable posture or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes. Relax your whole body. And now just observe your breath. Observe your normal, regular breath. It's going out. 1, 2, 3, 4. And going out. Observation of the breath is the key to relaxation. Our breath is the bridge, is the link between our outer and inner world. It connects us with our true inner self. Take a long, slow, deep breath in. Hold it for a moment and then slowly exhale. Take a long, slow, deep breath again. And then slowly exhale. Just allow any tension to melt away as you gradually relax more and more deeply with each breath. Empty your lungs completely with your out breath. The third deep breath in. Take your time. Hold it for a moment and then let it go. Already you are beginning to drift into a state of deep relaxation. Continue to breathe slowly and gently. Relax. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head. Sense or imagine a feeling of relaxation beginning to spread down from the top of your scalp. Let the muscles in your scalp, forehead, temples relax. Allow your eyes to relax. Let your cheeks and jaw soften and let go of all tension. Now this peaceful feeling flows down your neck and deep into the muscles in your shoulders. Soothing them, releasing them. peaceful feeling to flow through your arms. Relaxing and soothing all the way to the tips of your fingers. As your body relaxes, your mind relaxes. Your thoughts become weightless, like wisps of clouds on the breeze. Now the peaceful sensation flows through your chest. And your stomach. Feel how this area gently rises and falls. As you breathe, slowly and deeply, soothing and relaxing. Turn your attention to your back and feel the relaxing sensation flow all the way down your spine. Relax your hips. Soothing feelings flow down through your knees and into your calves. Your ankles relax. Now your feet relax. Your entire body is soft, calm, and relaxed. Now it's time to leave the external world behind and go on an inner journey. A journey to a place of deep inner stillness. Continue to concentrate on your breathing. And as you do, imagine thousands of small molecules flowing into your body. These molecules shine brightly and radiate love. They bring a profound sense of well-being to each and every part of your body. Imagine the molecules moving in and through your blood vessels, your arteries, your veins, capillaries, unblocking any area that needs attention. They are purifying every cell in your blood, enriching them with oxygen and nutrients. These molecules bring with them a sparkling energy, one that lights up your entire being. Now imagine these molecules entering your glands, your spleen, your thymus, your lymph nodes. This nurturing energy ignites miraculous healing, creating hormonal balance throughout the body. Imagine the molecules penetrates and permeates every organ in your body, bringing love and healing to every cell. You are at one with your body. Your body is responding with great love and appreciation. See these magnificent, sparkling molecules travel deep into your immune system. Bringing with them a profound sense of healing and well-being. Now mentally repeat the following affirmations. I choose to be healthy. My body is healthy, strong, and empowered. I naturally make choices that are good for my body and mind. I have an abundance of energy and a wonderful feeling of well-being. My immune system is strong. My body rids itself of toxins easily and effortlessly. I feel more healthy and stronger every day. I let go of any worry and enjoy the process of healing. I allow new life to flow throughout my body. Now take a moment to feel gratitude and joy for your wonderful life and the continuous miracles it produces. Tadgamaya Tamaso ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityurmamritam gamaya. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Thank you, Maestro Satya. It was truly powerful, yet so soothing. Thank you so much. And it really reminded me of the first time I experienced sound healing. And it said that to experience sound healing, you don't need to do much. Just hold the singing bowl in your hand, feel the texture, strike it, close your eyes, and just experience the vibrations, listen to the sound. I think and that really is sufficient to really understand how powerful sound healing is. And thank you so much for such a beautiful, wonderful session. And so moving on, we will take some questions from our viewers now. So viewers, if you have any question for Maestro Satya, please send them on the chat and we will take them one by one. So meanwhile, Maestro Satya, I would, like to ask you about uh, sound healing as a tool to deepen the practice of meditation. So, what really drew me to sound healing was because it really helped me to be in that meditative state. So, oftentimes the complaint is for the traditional methods of meditation is that it takes a lot of time, lot of discipline, and patience to learn meditation. But with sound healing, it is so simple. Like you are just lying down, you don't have to do anything, and you are able to achieve those meditative states. So I think something as simple as this, which doesn't require a steep learning curve or which doesn't require a great deal of discipline, is a boon to mankind. So and you were also talking about shift in the brain waves. I think this has to do with that, right?
Yes. So, most of us are now understand that meditation is very helpful to heal us, maybe at cellular level, maybe at emotional level, maybe at mental level, or maybe grow spiritually. But in our modern hectic lifestyle, it's very difficult for many people to go to that thoughtless state by practicing themselves. It can take months and maybe years to achieve that thoughtless state. But these divine healing vibrations, sound doesn't mean any kind of sound. Sound means here healing vibrations. These healing vibrations of singing bowls and gong bells takes us to that deep meditative state in just few minutes. It's scientific. It's not if you belong to any particular religion or you practice something, only then you can reach to that state. Anyone, a child, 5 years, 10 years. It's very difficult, to teach meditation to children. Sit down, control your thoughts, be quiet. But with sound, we can easily take them to that deep meditative state, and it helps them a lot to strengthen them mentally, emotionally, spiritually. Children have lots of negativity these days, and it's very good, very simple, very practical tool. Even if it's old person, sick person, you can't tell them, oh, you sit down, you control your thoughts and you do this. They have already so much pain in the body, so many kinds of negativity already within them. It's not possible. But you just tell them, close your eyes, relax yourself, you play the sound, and they can reach that state. And again, meditation is the best medication. From thousand of years, those rishis, those wise people, they told that you need to practice meditation every day, because this is one of the best thing for your mental, emotional and physical fitness. So yes, sound therapy, sound meditation with this very powerful instrument helps us to achieve that state, and you get all benefits of meditation in such a simple, practical way.
Wow. I think that's beautifully said. Meditation is medication. So, any contraindications, like everybody can go in for a sound healing session? Because I've heard people with pacemaker or maybe epilepsy. So, like, is it safe for everyone? One from, like you said, it's good for kids to elderly to, but then any contraindications?
Yes, yes, it's good for everybody, but if somebody is having metals in the body, we cannot place singing bowls directly on that body part, but we can use it in a balanced way, like a pregnant woman. So
Yeah.
fetus in the womb is very delicate. We can't use powerful vibrations there. We need to use gentle vibrations. And first 3 months, no sound healing for them. Like, everything that is good for our body, but we need to take in a balanced way. Like almond is very good for us. You eat 5, 10 almonds, it's okay. But it's not, it's very good. I eat, 50 pieces of almond. Then it will upset my digestive system. Anything is good, but we also need to learn how to use it in a balanced way. In
So yeah,
general,
yeah,
always good.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. There are few cases like pregnancy where we cannot use it for 3 months. After that, we can use it with a gentle approach. And when we have metals in the body, we cannot place these instruments directly on that body part. Otherwise, it's always good.
All right. So viewers are sending in questions. So Anshul Porwal wants to know how can we practice sound meditation in our daily lives?
Okay.
And also, I think here would be useful for our viewers to know, tips and tricks to buy that suitable bowl, because with the wide variety of bowls that are available, it really is overwhelming. So how can our viewers practice sound healing on a daily basis, and how can they buy their first bowl?
Okay. All right. So there are different therapies that we can apply with singing bowls for ourselves and also for others. But if we want to use it in ourselves, there are lots of restrictions. Yes, there are few therapies only. Like if we have a very rich vibrational quality singing bowl like this one, and its frequency is close to, you can say, 75 to 80 hertz. So this is perfect for self-healing, a rich vibrational quality bowl with a frequency range of 75 to 80. So we can place it on our chest. We can lie down, place it on our chest, and then we tap it with this felt mallet. So with every strike, actually what happens, this sound vibration is controlling your brain waves and taking it down. Like from in conscious state, our brain wave is between 13 to 30 hertz. We call it beta state. But when this sound is going to our brain, it starts controlling it and bringing it down. So in next maybe 4, 5, 10 strikes, your brain wave is going down from, maybe if it is at 25 hertz, 30 hertz, it goes to alpha state, like maybe between 7 to 13 hertz. If you again keep on striking, so you are gradually becoming relaxed, and maybe after 30, 40 strikes, if you practice it regularly, after maybe 10, 15 minutes, you go to a very deep meditative state, maybe close to theta delta state, like between 0 to 7 hertz. And in that state, when you reach that state, actually you are not aware you are holding something in your hand or something is, because meditation, in meditative state, you lose awareness completely. You go to a very relaxed meditative state, and that is a healing state. So you remain in that state maybe for 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It's very good to get relief from several kinds of disorders, also for stress reduction, and it heals all the major organs in the body in a gentle manner. But for that, you need to learn how to strike the bowl, which is the right place to strike it, and what gap should be there. So you should know all those things. So you should have a good therapeutic grade healing singing bowl, as well as you should know the right approach to striking it. Yes.
All right, all right. So also Vidya here is asking, can we do this sound healing meditation if we are following any other method of meditation? Or do you suggest only one method to follow? Please share your view.
Uh, any other method means? Can you elaborate?
No, she's asking just to if only sound healing meditation should be followed, or like she can practice other traditional methods also, maybe breath awareness, mindfulness. I think all of this could be combined, right? This
There
is just
are,
supplements. Yeah.
meditation, to reach meditative state is our goal. and there might be different approaches to reach that state. Like if you want to travel from maybe Mumbai to Delhi, so you can take flight, you can go by train, you can go by car, and maybe you can try cycle also. But going by flight is the easiest and most comfortable approach to go to that destination. Similarly, sound healing, what we have experienced, there are different methods of meditation. With sound, it's like going by flight to your destination. But yes, there are many other approaches, many other way to reach that state.
Okay. And people want to know a lot of questions that how frequently should they be practicing sound healing meditation, or how frequently they should be attending it. So that's the question.
Sound healing meditation is a very gentle thing, and we can practice it every day, even twice a day. There is no issue doing it. Yeah.
Okay. And so, and sound healing can be given to people who have had history of brain stroke. Swati wants to know, due to high BP, is it suitable for them?
Sound healing is suitable for any kind of physical, mental, emotional disorders. But the therapist, they decide like what intensity of sound is good for which kind of patient, what should be the duration of therapy. So in general, it's good for any kind of. But as a novice, you should not try it. First, if you want to apply, you should learn it, how to do it with the right approach. Like I told you, there are different kinds of food. This is very good, but it's good, you take any quantity. So this is also applies with sound therapy.
And how to choose the first singing bowl?
Okay, look, if you want
Any
to...
difference in quality? Yeah.
If you want to choose a singing bowl, you should have right knowledge to understand the vibrational quality and everything. It's not written on the bowl, this is the best one, this is 100 out of 100, this is... Look, every seller will tell you this is the best, whatever they sell. And they have lots of stories also to tell you so that you buy their bowl. So don't go with the story. You first need to understand whatever you go to buy, if you have idea about it, you choose the best one. Otherwise, you get influenced with presentation. There are several singing bowls with mantras aged on that, with different kind of, to attract the buyers. But that maybe it could be a souvenir kind of bowl. It's not a healing grade bowl. So first try to understand about vibration, and you learn it. This best way to go to one academy to learn about it, and then you buy it, or you find the right source. Like if you want to buy diamond, you don't know about diamond, but you go to an authentic place where I'll get the right quality. You don't go to anyone. If somebody is offering diamond for cheaper price, you don't buy it because you don't know it's real or fake. So either go to the right place, find the authentic source who are really into the business of healing. They are not just sellers, or you have that knowledge how to choose it. Yes.
All right. And I think one last question before we close is that do people are asking, can they play the bowl themselves for like as a meditation, or do they need someone else to play the bowls for them?
Yes, for general relaxation and healing, like I told you, you can place one bowl on your chest and you can practice it yourself. But for several other therapies, you need someone to work on you. But it's very practical thing, because it hardly takes 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You can apply it for several kind of diseases. It's very powerful, very effective. Even a child can work with this. In my workshops, 8 years, 10 years old children are coming, even 80 years old people are coming. And everybody can work with it very easily. Like you learn and you tell your children how to work on yourself, or your children can learn and work on you. And it's very simple, very practical. Just you need to know the right process, and also you should have the right instrument.
Right. And I think I'll take up one more question, Maestro. So Akash wants to know, like, maybe you can share some link where they can buy the singing bowl from, and people also want to know, like, how can they learn sound healing? So if you're offering, workshops or sessions, so maybe
Okay,
just
so
let them
we
know.
have
Yeah.
our website iash.in. So you can go and you can check, there are different products listed. Maybe you want to buy one bowl. We have all healing grade, therapeutic grade singing bowls, and in our workshops most of the people coming, either they want to use it personal level for healing, or most of them are professionals, they want to work as a sound healing professionals. So we have also workshops, regular workshops all over India and all over world, like in US, Canada, Europe, and India. Of course, due to COVID, we are not conducting probably this year workshops in person, but next year we have workshops like in Germany, in Taiwan, and we are also going to schedule events in India. In December we have workshops in India, Ahmedabad. But during this time period, maybe we are also going to offer online workshops, because I think due to this COVID-19, many people can't travel and attend in person. So we will announce it soon, how you can join online workshops. And if you want to buy any products, it's a 100% guaranteed product. You also get 1 month free replacement policy. If you buy the bowls, if you don't like it, you can get full money refund. So people are always confident what they are buying. Even somebody attending our 2 days level 1 workshop, and if they are not happy after day 1, we offer full money refund. So there is no hesitation, no question. We have people attending from all over world. They are working in the research work, medicine, healthcare, and they are all happy, and they are all have been practicing it both personal and professional level, getting very good result.
Wow. Thank you so much, Maestro Satya. That was truly an informative and powerful session.